Hi, this is Joshua with Impress Computers, and today we're going to go over our rocket sale. Today we are offering 10% off, actually for maybe a couple of weeks or so. We're giving away 10% on this here. We got the 8 gig EVGA 8 gig video card right here, DDR5. We also have another 8 gig right here. This one's a super clock, so it's $50 more, but this one right here is $599. They're both 1070s. We also have the GeForce GTX 1060 right here for $399. We also have the Radeons right here, the RX580s. We also have the Armor version here for the RX580 as well. And then if you're needing a very powerful power supply here, we got it for $1,300 power supply right here for $349. We're also got a couple of good custom gaming machines going on here. We got the red color for the rockets going on right now. This one's for $1949. We also have another one that's around $1649, which is the AMD version. As far as this one's the Intel version. We are also offering this one, Asus, right here for $899. If you got any gaming questions or any custom built gaming machine, any questions like that, just come by here at Impress. You can call us at 281-647-9977. Thank you.